नवी मुंबई शहर में रीडेवलपमेंट का बड़ा स्कोप चल रहा है। इसी को देखते हुए क्रेडाई एमसीएचआई यूथ के माध्यम से रीडेवलपमेंट सेमिनार के द्वारा 26 जुलाई को नॉलेज शेयरिंग सेमिनार किया जाएगा। इसमें मुख्य तौर पर एनएमएमसी सिडको के अधिकारी रीडेवलपमेंट की विशेष जानकारी देंगे। नॉलेज शेयरिंग सेमिनार की जानकारी देते हुए ज्वाइंट कमेटी मेंबर इवेंट कन्वीनर विक्की थॉमस, ज्वाइंट ट्रेजरर इवेंट कन्वीनर श्याम वोरा ने बताया कि नॉलेज सेमिनार में छोटे बड़े डेवलपर को रीडेवलपमेंट से जुड़ी जानकारी को साझा किया जाएगा। साथ ही इस कार्यक्रम में लीडिंग डेवलपर्स भी शामिल रहेंगे।
Hello everyone, this is Vicky Thomas from EV Homes. I am one of the managing committee members and the convener of the upcoming redevelopment event on 26 July 2023. This event is proudly brought for the developers of Navi Mumbai by the MCHI Credai Youth Wing. We have two parts in this seminar. One part is totally financial, the second part is technical. The topic that we are going to cover is redevelopment challenges, financial and technical in Navi Mumbai. The first part, the financial part, is being covered by leading financial consultants Finamic and Flint, along with leading heads of the NBFCs, bankers. They will be present for the project funding panel discussions and later on one-on-one interaction एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशंस। रीडेवलपमेंट के लिए 50 से 100 करोड़ फंडिंग तो मिनिमम लगता ही है और उसके लिए फंडिंग के तरीके भी अलग होते हैं। उसकी नॉलेज और टेक्निकल नो हाउ के लिए आप ज़रूर आइएगा। सेकेंड पार्ट जो है हमारा वो है टेक्निकल, जहाँ पे वी हैव डिग्नेटरीज फ्रॉम सिडको, फ्रॉम एनएमएमसी, वी हैव केकान साहेब, वी हैव लीडिंग पीएमसीज लाइक गुरव साहेब, we have leading architects like Shri Soyuz Talib Sahib, and there are informational presentations जो PMC है वो हमें बताएंगे कि हम सोसाइटीज़ को कैसे मैनेज करना चाहिए, कैसे डिलीजेंटली ट्रांसपेरेंटली मैनेज करना चाहिए। आर्किटेक्ट्स हमको बताएंगे किस तरीके से ऐसे प्लानिंग करें कि और एक रीडेवलपमेंट उसके बाद ना होए और इस तरीके से हम फ्यूचर को हम एश्योर करें। एंड म्यूनसिपल कमिश्नर म्यूनसिपलिटी के एनएमएमसी कॉरपोरेशन के केकान साहेब हमें अपने विजन के बारे में बताएंगे कि एक आइडियल रीडेवलपमेंट ऑफ नवी मुंबई किस तरीके से हो पाएगा। And so registrations are open. I invite all my fraternity members, the builders of Navi Mumbai and the association to be there, and registrations have started. So please register. Limited seats है और इसके साथ में ऑफर भी है कि JW Marriott Courtyard is offering you discounts, lifetime membership discounts if you are members of our association. आओ मिलके बनाएं एक अच्छी और नई सोसाइटी। Thank you.
Hi, Credai MCHI youth members. Youth is arranging a seminar on redevelopment on 26th of July at Courtyard by Marriott. The objective of this seminar is to give our members a holistic view of redevelopment, to tell you all the do's and don'ts of redevelopment. Be assured that this thing is not supposed to be missed. Please be there. There is abundance of knowledge to be distributed. I'll see you there.
With respect to this session, Credai MCHI Youth has really taken a welcome move, because as we all are aware, since formation of Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, 30 years has been passed, and the buildings which are being constructed in the past 30 years or 30 years before, now those buildings are on the verge of redevelopment, as more than 90% of the area of Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation has been developed. Now there is a great scope for redevelopment, and hence this move is really a nice move. I am attending this event to share my views on redevelopment and challenges which are being faced today in redevelopment sector. NMMC is always there to resolve the issues of all the builders, architects, and each small and big builder and stakeholders which is associated with the redevelopment industry. And my best wishes to Credai MCHI Youth for taking such a good cause.
MCHI Credai Navi Mumbai Youth has organized a knowledge sharing seminar on 26th of this month to put a light on various issues related with redevelopment. As we all are aware that the entire area of Navi Mumbai has been substantially developed. Now redevelopment will be the potential for the real estate sector in Navi Mumbai. So you have to know that there is a huge difference between the greenfield projects and the redevelopment projects. So there are definitely certain issues where the Navi Mumbai developers to get the knowledge about the redevelopment project, its procedures, the financial evaluation of the projects, and various other legal aspect of the projects. I, being a project management consultant working in Navi Mumbai area for the various redevelopment projects, has been invited to put light on these issues, especially technical, legal, and financial. So I will be there in the seminar where I will elaborate the various procedure laid down under Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act, Maharashtra Apartment Ownership Act, the legal procedures which have to be carried out in the redevelopment process, the various aspect of this redevelopment process, the various expectations of the members of the societies, what really they want from a developer about the execution of the project. So I will be there on 26th in the seminar. So you are please join this seminar, get the entire knowledge, and we can proceed further to revamp Navi Mumbai to take the challenge of the redevelopment.
Hi everybody, MCHI CREDAI Youth Association has organized a seminar on the 26th of July 2023, and the topic for discussion is challenges faced in redevelopment projects in the city of Navi Mumbai. I would like to thank MCHI CREDAI for giving me an opportunity to speak on the topic and share my views on the same. Hoping to see all of you all on that day.
वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट राहुल कदम साथ पंकज बनवंशी की रिपोर्ट, आवाज़ टुडे, नवी मुंबई।